I have a question for you. I guess my first question is, as I've been going into this journey, it's like, well, what are the basic skills you need to be a hacker? Like, what's the common things you do every day? What skills do you need?
Most of the best and brightest that I've worked with in security, they understand a good bit of everything. They understand database architecture. They understand, SQL query language. They understand how web architecture is configured, works generally. They understand networking, incredibly important. IP addresses, how data traverses networks, how it gets out to the internet. Fundamentals of security technologies. In your kind of world, in the development world, you've probably bumped into a lot of these things, but having a deeper understanding of all of it is going to make you a better security practitioner. On the defensive side, on why that's important, you need to know what those buttons and levers are that you can do to implement controls system-wide, application-wide, network-wide, right? What are the capabilities that I have in here to secure my systems? And on the offensive side, what might I bump into, or what might I be able to use to my advantage to get into a system, right? That for me, just that wide breadth of knowledge. You don't need to be an expert over everything, but understanding many of the domains pretty broadly is very, very helpful.
Yeah. I 100% agree with everything you said. It's interesting that you brought up, as a defender, the knobs and levers within all of these systems. Most of the time that falls on system administrators, site reliability engineers, and the people who are deploying these things. And in most organizations, IT operations and all of those things are completely separate, and they're always in this conflict. I've always felt that if you understand the OSI model very deeply, and you can apply it to practicality and what's actually going on in all of these different systems and servers, services, and applications, it makes you the migration from IT operations and deploying things to understanding how to attack it and defend it becomes much, much easier.